Alright, so I can't get to sleep right now, so instead I'm going to clean the nasty trap from underneath my sink. Well, it might be nasty, not sure yet. But I do have a towel, which I'm going to use here in a second after I get all this shit out of the way. Alright, so I got this towel. I already used this on my main bathroom sink, so it's already got shit on it. This is easy peasy. I'm just going to show you how this is done. A lot of people don't think to do this often, but maybe if they have like a metal piping or something, they have to use a plumbing wrench. Might be reason people don't do this very often. But once you discover how easy it is, like I did recently. Actually, if you do have metal piping, I mean, it's still, for the most part, the trap is most likely going to be one piece. So if it is all metal, I would recommend, use some kind of wrench to get rid of the old one if you can, and replace it with this. Just the trap part, because you should get used to changing this often. Now, just like anything that screws on, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So what I'm going to do is just start to loosen that up. Turn this one the same way down here. You can already see crud around the edge, and it's leaking. That is a sign that they're... well, I don't know. We'll see how bad it is. Oh my goodness. See if I can get a better picture of it, because there's blackness already coming out, which, oh good lord, this is going to be bad. Alright, so we'll start undoing this one. Start undoing this one. This one right here usually is not threaded and is just held by suction. It's used when you're putting it back on to do the final tightening. This is where the main tightness is at. You can see I already pulled. You see I pulled the other one off. So this is where now I should be able to... Oh my lord. That is black and gross. So let's just start to pull this off. Alright, well, it's actually not as bad as I thought. My upstairs bathroom one had a bunch of hair and stuff in there. This is just corrosion around the edge, but I already have a bucket in here because my InSinkerator is leaking. I'm just going to empty it into there. Anywho, you know what? It's really not that bad. It's not bad at all. Now, if there's hair going down here often, you're going to see a lot more. And so if you do this in your bathroom, your main bathroom, and you've never done this, especially for years, that is probably going to be full of hair and soap scum and toothpaste. Like when I did my upstairs bathroom, oh my goodness, pulling out clumps. In fact, when I checked up here, there were clumps still in there. I had to use a long screwdriver to actually go up from the top of the sink and scrape down hair that was in this neck, which is longer on my kitchen sink, but not quite as long, probably about up to here on my bathroom sink. So anyway, all right, well, I didn't really achieve much. I'm not going to really increase the flow, but if you're seeing slow flow in your bathroom, this is probably why. And this is how easy it is. It's how easy it is. Just these pieces fit right on. Just gonna, I know it looks nasty, but I'm just gonna show you how easy that is. But I need to clean this shit off before I put it back on, because that is still pretty gross. All right, well, that's it for that. It'll work the same with your bathroom sink. Anywho,